My name is Cooper Phillips. I'm a senior at Southwestern. I'm a bio major. And what I'm out here doing in Gunnison, Colorado is I'm doing some insect assessments of different type of habitat that we're studying out here. In the Gunnison area itself, there's a native bird to the area called the Gunnison sage grouse. And over the recent century, its populations have declined quite a bit, from about 20 counties it's present in to about 8 currently. The need for conservation definitely exists there. And I guess what I'm trying to do with this research project is just kind of aid in that information database on its conservation, because studies exist showing while adult Gunnison sage grouse prefer a sagebrush habitat, Gunnison sage grouse young prefer wet meadow habitat. So out here we're kind of doing insect assessments on both of those habitats, seeing if there is an increased number of insects present in either of them or an increase of biodiversity of insects present in either of them. I hope that really just through doing this that it kind of sheds some lights on insect conservation and the importance that they play in ecosystems, because I personally believe that there's a lot that they can do for us as humans in helping prevent further issues with climate change in the future and helping mitigate that issue for us in the long run. Alrighty, so for collections out here, we're doing 2 forms of sampling. We're doing pitfall traps and we're also doing sweep netting. So for our pitfall traps, we kind of got a little container that we put in the ground. We make a little flush with the ground. In that we have a preserving liquid, which is 40% water and 60% alcohol. In those containers, we add dish soap that makes it attractant to insects to go into the traps. And we also put a bit of a flour in there to add as some form of extra motivation. Through this, we've gotten some good results. Through the first week, we've gotten around 968 specimens collected. Continuing this process will add to that data collection, and we can make some form of real assessment based on what we collect here between wet meadow and sagebrush habitats to see if there really is a difference in what kind of insects are present and what kind of amount of them there are.